If the switches and key fob aren't the problem, the body control module, or BCM, might be glitching. This central module manages the alarm system and can develop software issues. For 2021 and newer models, check the Nissan Connect app for over-the-air or OTA software updates. These updates can reset the BCM and recalibrate sensors to prevent false alarms. For older models, or if the update doesn't work, try disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes to reset the BCM. This clears temporary glitches. If issues persist after a BCM reset, it could indicate a deeper hardware problem. Consider using an OBD-Link scanner to check for BCM error codes or consult a certified Nissan technician. Remember, BCM resets are often a temporary fix, and hardware inspection is crucial for lasting solutions. While future OTA updates from Nissan promise improved diagnostics, addressing the core issue, switch failures or BCM glitches, is key.